Welcome to Global Tech, the place where technology meets creativity. From electronics to computer science, we bring you tutorials, projects, and the latest innovations. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos. Share our videos. Today, we're jumping into AutoCAD to create this drawing using mechanical units that I'll show you how to build this AutoCAD drawing step by step with mechanical units. Ready to draw in AutoCAD? Let's create this drawing together using mechanical units. It's easier than you think. First, draw a horizontal line of 9.9 millimeters using the line tool. You can select the line tool either from the draw panel on the ribbon or by typing L and pressing Enter or the spacebar. Then draw a vertical line of 18 millimeters. Then, type Z and press Enter to activate the zoom command. Next, type E and press Enter to use the extents option, which zooms the entire drawing to fit the screen. Type L and press Enter. From the endpoint of the vertical line, move left 180 degrees. Type 10 and press Enter. From the new endpoint, move up 90 degrees. Type 29 and press Enter. Start the line command. Click the starting point on the lower line. Move 90 degrees direction and draw a 4.2 millimeters vertical line. From the end point of the vertical line, move the cursor left 180 degrees direction. Type 5 and press Enter to draw a 5 millimeters horizontal line. Type C and press Enter. Type R, then 5 and press Enter. Extend the vertical line to pass through the circle. Trim the lower half of the circle. Type TR for trim and press Enter. Click the lower half of the circle to remove it. Press Enter to finish. Then draw line at the end of circle arc, same length of right side of circle. Type L and press Enter. Pick the starting point. Move your cursor toward the left 180 degrees direction. Type 11.4 and press Enter. Type C, pick any center, enter R 7.7 to draw the circle. Then type M, select the circle, snap to a quadrant snap, and place it on the endpoint of the 11.4 millimeters line, so its quadrant point sits exactly at the line end. Offset the right side line 20.4 millimeters toward the left side. Then select the second line and drag it until it touches the circle. Trim right side of circle to get only arc on left side. Type F or fillet and press Enter. Type R for radius and press Enter. Type 2 and press Enter. Click on the first line or arc. Click on the second line or arc that meets the first. AutoCAD will round the corner with a 2 millimeters radius. Go to the left vertical line and draw a 3 millimeters horizontal line to the left. At the end of that line, draw a circle with a 3 millimeters radius. After drawing the circle, extend the horizontal line so it passes through the circle, then trim the lower part of the circle to leave only the top arc. Select the left vertical line and draw a 5 millimeters line to the right. At the end of that line, draw a circle with a 5 millimeters radius. Then extend the line. At the midpoint of the line, draw a vertical line upward until it touches the edge of the circle. Then trim the lower part and the right side of the circle so that only the top left arc remains, as shown in the tutorial. Start a line from the endpoint of the left arc and connect it to the arc on the right side. Then erase the line segment that lies below the right arc, so only the clean arc connection remains. Now we will add dimensions to all the arcs and lines to make the shape more detailed by using the dimension commands in AutoCAD. Type DM and press Enter. AutoCAD's dimension command is smart. It automatically detects whether you're selecting a line, an arc, or a circle. When you type dim and press Enter, AutoCAD activates the Smart Dimensioning tool. This command automatically detects the type of object you select. If you click on a horizontal or vertical line, AutoCAD creates a linear dimension that shows its length. If you click on a slanted/angled line, AutoCAD places an aligned dimension that measures the line's true length along its angle. If you click on a circle, AutoCAD asks whether you want a radius or a diameter dimension, and then places it accordingly. If you click on an arc, AutoCAD can display either its arc length or its radius, depending on the option you choose. The command is very flexible. After selecting an object, you can move your cursor to position the dimension text neatly outside the object. AutoCAD also gives you additional options like radius, diameter, angle, or ordinate in the command line or ribbon to refine your dimensions. By using this single dim command, you don't need to remember multiple separate dimension commands. AutoCAD will figure out what kind of dimension is appropriate based on your selection. If you want to place dimensions individually, you need to use the specific dimension commands in AutoCAD, depending on the type of object. Dim linear for horizontal or vertical straight lines. Dim aligned for slanted or angled lines. Dim radius for arcs and circles when you want to show the radius. Dim diameter for circles when you want to show the diameter. Dim angular for angles between two lines. Dim arc for the arc length of a curve.